here we go, using the same method as before with these damaged traces. I'm just throwing some flux on them. Got some solder on my soldering tip. I've already got my screen pre-tinned, and I'm just going to line up these connections. Once I have things lined up, I'm just going to touch a pad. On either side. Alright, I think I have it in place. I'm going to add a bit more flux. And just come through here with my soldering iron. And just go right down the lines. I may have just did it on my first try. I'm going to go through and just touch all these back up again, but that looks pretty good.